I'm here for my appointment. Whoa. That's my new dentist? He's beautiful. I think I'm in love.
Ah, you must be my next patient. Please, take a seat.
Of course. Anything you want. Oh! I hope you didn't see that. So that was embarrassing. It's funny we should meet like this.
Open wide.
That's pretty bright. I can't see your handsome face. I need sunglasses. That's much better.
I'll need a closer look.
I knew you felt the same way.
Please don't do that.
I love the silly games we play.
I'm trying to work here.
Oh, I knew that.
Okay. This might hurt.
Everything will be okay. I'll be right outside.
Don't leave me, Mom! I'm really scared. What is that? I don't like this. Ah! Keep that away from me!
Welcome to a world of pain!
Let me out of here! Mommy! Mommy!
Oh no you don't.
Gulp. I guess this is really happening.
Hey, come and take a seat. What are you waiting for?
Okay, but please be gentle.
Just relax.
No! Stop it!
It's okay, there's nothing to worry about. It'll tickle.
Missed! Missed again!
Hold still. Hold still.
Never! You can't make me! I'm not gonna open my mouth.
Let's try this again.
See ya! Stay back! I know karate! I can do this all day! Nah.
Ah, I know. Maybe this'll interest you.
Now you're talking, lady. I could buy so much candy. That would be so cool. Sweet. That would be the best day ever. You've got a deal.
I knew this would work. Not so fast. The Tooth Fairy deals with the cash.
I knew there'd be a catch.
Look, she's right here.
You know the actual Tooth Fairy?
She's a friend of mine.
Wow, that's so cool.
Here she comes. Stay nice and still.
I'm gonna meet the Tooth Fairy.
Let go.
That feels good.
Stop chewing on it.
Make me.
Huh? What's going on? You know you shouldn't do that, right?
Give me the stick, Mom!
Please, stop that! Uh-oh. Now we're in trouble.
I forgot she was here.
Sorry. Kids, huh? I can take it from here. Thanks. I'm watching you.
Whatever.
I'm so sorry. And good luck! Why don't you come over here?
Fine, if you say so. But I'm bringing my stick.
That's not good for your teeth.
I disagree. It's scientific. Look!
What? What are you talking about?
And cavemen used sticks to clean their teeth. This was before toothbrushes. Clever, huh?
Right. But you're not a caveman. Give me the stick.
No! Find your own!
I mean it.
I want caveman teeth!
Okay. Let's take a break. I have something for you. Look at this. It's different kinds of toothbrushes. What do you think of this one?
I don't want it.
No? Okay. How about this one? It's blue.
Do you really think that impresses me? Come on, lady. You need to try harder than that.
This is the last one. You've gotta be impressed with this.
I'm a simple guy who likes his chewing stick.
I'm all out of toothbrushes. Aha! Wait right there.
I'll be chewing on my stick. Is that lettuce? I don't remember eating that. Huh? What's that?
I knew this would get your attention. Wanna give it a try?
Yeah, hand it over. This is so cool. Ooh, toothpaste. Do I squeeze it in here? This is so exciting. I can't wait. It tickles.
Phew. He's finally got rid of the stick.
I could get used to this. Can I keep it?
Of course you can. Hey, sweetie. Wow, someone's teeth are sparkling. Great job.
Can I go now?
See you next time.
Hey, you can keep the stick. Take good care of it.
Gee, just what I've always wanted. What am I gonna do with this? Pow! Pow! Take that! Maybe this stick isn't so bad after all.
I'm so nervous. Look at that. I hate the dentist. Those look sharp. Oh no! That statue's looking at me. I'm gonna go.
Get back here. It'll be fine, honey. There must be something I can do. Huh? What's that? Maybe I can use this.
I'm gonna cry, Mommy. Ooh, what's that?
I knew you'd like it.
Ew, is this some kind of joke? This guy needs to clean his teeth.
I was hoping you'd say that. I have a toothbrush right here.
Ooh, just what I need.
Let's get to work. We'll need to give it a good scrub. Come on, give me a hand. We've got all the equipment right here. Ew, this is so gross. We don't want to miss anything.
That should do it.
What a beautiful smile.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm so proud of you. Your teeth are disgusting, Brian.
They're not that bad. Anyway, it's the candy's fault. This sweet, delicious candy. Mmm, it's so good.
Time to brush.
Really? Okay. If you say so.
I want to see sparkling teeth. What are you waiting for?
Ooh, wait a second. I can use this sponge. It'll speed things up. I'll rub the toothpaste over it. Let's give it a try. That feels great.
Good boy. Huh? Don't do that! Put the sponge down.
Hey, Mommy.
I don't believe it. What were you thinking? Never do that again. You're coming with me.
Where are we going?
You need to see a dentist. Well, hello there. Come on over. Take a seat. Go on, sweetie.
Do I have to? Let's get this over with.
I'll need a look at your teeth.
You've got it. I think you'll be surprised.
That's an understatement.
Is that a bad thing? I thought my sponge did a good job.
Let's put the sponge down.
No, it's mine.
Wow, you must really like it.
It's so squishy.
Maybe you'd prefer this toothbrush.
Nah, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Wait, I've got an idea. I'm going to need these pens. It's time to get creative, and you're going to love it. I'll need a large sheet of card. I'll start with the red pen. I'll draw the outline of a mouth. That looks good. Now I'll fill it in. Then I'll draw the rest of it. This green is so bright. I'll need 2 eyes. I'm almost finished, but I'll need one more thing. Lots of teeth. Oh, Brian, look what I've got.
No way! Is that the Grinch? Gimme, gimme! This is awesome.
He needs some help with his teeth.
You can count on me.
Not so fast. The Grinch is hungry, so we'll need to give him a snack. But there's a problem. His teeth are getting dirty.
Wow.
You'll need to clean them. We don't want to see any mess.
I'll have them looking as good as new. I won't let you down. One more to go.
You did it!
I had a great time. Oh, hey, Mom. Hey. Look at my teeth.
They look amazing!
And it's all thanks to the toothbrush. These things are pretty handy.
Who would have thought? See you next time, Brian.
I don't want any bright lights.
This is getting weird.
Blah!
A vampire! And those fangs look sharp! Well, there's a first time for everything.
I don't like dentists. Well, unless I'm sucking their blood. Get back!
Don't be scared. It's all gonna be fine. This won't hurt.
Stay away!
They didn't teach me this at dental school. Wait a second. Is that Van Helsing?
Huh? I hate that guy.
This is my chance!
You tricked me.
Nice and easy. Out they come. That wasn't so bad. I'll put the fangs right here. How are you feeling?
You ruined everything.
You'll need to open wide. What else is in there?
So that's where my gummy bear went.
Will we see what else is in there?
I guess so. Go on, do your worst.
We're almost done here. I think there's more back there. Wait, is that a cookie? You know you're supposed to chew your food, right?
I was keeping that for later.
Open your mouth. Wow. Why am I not surprised? This can go with the rest. I think we got them all. We're all done. Phew. That was tough.
I'm not happy. I have a sweet tooth.
How's my little guy doing?
I'm going home.
He did great. I'm happy to hear that. Bye. Remember to floss.
She took my candy.
Back already?
You missed some. Nah.
But… where was he hiding that?
I'm I'm always one step ahead. Now I must fly!
This isn't over. No one likes visiting the dentist, but it's gotta be done. Is your dentist nice, or do they pull teeth for fun? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.